Electrolytes. Let's go over the recipe, how much you want to be drinking, and why. So I'm going to post the original recipe right here, as well as my augmented recipe. The original recipe is from Cole Robinson, and the augmented is quite literally just my version of his, because potassium tastes nasty, so I don't really like sipping it throughout the day, and I like to take my magnesium right before I go to bed. So with the potassium, I will take shorter bursts of it throughout the day. You know, this can be altered to whatever you kind of want to do. It's literally just, I know that I need such and such amount per day, and so I usually just take smaller shots in between with my salt baking soda water that I'm sipping all day. In terms of how much I am drinking each day, this varies day to day, and that's why I always say just go by what your body feels. When you feel thirsty, just drink. And then, you know, in the back of my mind, I'm always like, okay, I need to be also taking my potassium throughout the day, and so like if it's 12 o'clock, I'll have a little bit of that and then just continue about my day. So yeah. The augmented allows for a little bit more flexibility in your day. So if you have a busy day or if you have things you need to be doing, I usually just alter it based on that. And, you know, I can take a little more, a little less of potassium depending on what I'm doing. And obviously the main reasons why we want our electrolytes during our fast is not only just for the safety of us during our fast, but also for refeeding. It is going to prevent refeeding syndrome. And while you're fasting, you are depleting your electrolytes, and that's obviously unsafe. So we want to be replenishing those all the time. That's all we want to be doing. We don't ever want to be using anything else. You can have obviously green tea and coffees, and that's totally fine, but we don't want to be drinking fresh water and depleting those electrolytes any further. So I hope this video helps, and happy fasting!